Everyone, what is up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the ultimate fall day in my life vlog. That is what we're doing today. I'm gonna film all day today. I am just feeling so excited to spend the day with you guys. If you're new to my channel, what's up? My name is Adrienne. I am in my mid-20s. I actually live abroad, but I'm visiting my hometown for this month and I'm actually traveling like all over. I just got back from Chicago yesterday. I'm going to New York next week. I have a wedding this weekend. I am so freaking busy, you guys. Basically like for 4 days this week, starting from today, I have like time to do me. So this morning I went for a Pure Barre workout. I am obsessed with Pure Barre. Like I started taking it just a couple weeks ago when I got back here and it's just like my style of workout. I love that it's like just so chill. Comment below if you've ever done it. I went home, showered, got ready, had some breakfast, and now we're here. So we're starting off the vlog and the first thing we're gonna do is some returns. And guys, I'm so sad, but it's honestly okay. The Uggs I ordered, the sizing is not it. Are these like the ultra minis? I don't even know, but I can't even get my foot into it. I did go a size down like everyone suggested, but I wear an 8, I ordered a 7, can't even get my foot into it. I do still really like these, so I don't know, but I'm just so excited to soon be owning a pair of Uggs because I've wanted some my whole life. I've never owned them. I remember being younger in like middle school and everyone had them, but I didn't have any money. I couldn't buy the real ones. And honestly, I don't think it matters if you buy real or fake ones, but I've just always wanted to experience what the real ones are like. As far as my other returns, I had ordered like a couple bodysuits from Amazon and they just didn't fit right, but it's all good because I found a really good one from Hollister, which is what I'm wearing right now. I will have that linked below. So I'm really looking forward to this video. It feels so good to be in my car with you. It feels like old times, like when I was in college. Comment below, have any of you guys been here? Since the college days, we're back in the car in the good old Jeep. I bought this Jeep a couple days after I turned 18 and I'm 26 now, so it's been a long ride with it, but I do love this car. I just had a lovely experience at Dunkin'. The staff was so nice. Oh wow, this is good. Different. It's not as pumpkin as I expected. It's more on the nutty side. All right, time to go work on some jewelry stuff. If you guys are new to my channel and you didn't know, I have a small jewelry line and it is shipped all out of the area that I'm staying in right now. So I'm able to be really hands-on when I come back, which is awesome. So I'm gonna go pack some orders and probably just keep arranging stuff for an upcoming launch. My business also recently hired an intern, which has been going really, really well. She's doing such a great job. So if you feel like showing our Instagram some love, I will have it all linked down below. But anyways, we're gonna go over there and do some work for probably just a couple hours. Checking in. What time is it actually? I need to look at the clock. It is 2:30. Work has been completed. I also got to edit a reel, dropped off some orders. Now we're going to Trader Joe's. I haven't been to Trader Joe's in a whole year. I am so pumped. I just can't wait to grab some goodies. First, we're gonna call my friend because I want to see if she's gonna be joining me for dinner tonight. Hey, how are you? All right, let's go. Trader Joe's trip was such a success. You can literally just spend like hours in there, but I did get a pretty good haul. I got 2 full bags of groceries. I'm gonna show you everything when we get back. I'm heading home now and I just wanted to show you the snack I'm eating. I always keep these like in my car because whenever I'm on the road, I'm always like so tempted to like pull over and like buy a bunch of snacks, but just having these is so handy. You guys should really try these. These are by Verb, the caffeinated energy bars. I love the cookie dough ones, but I think I'm gonna try some of the others. These are caffeinated, so they actually give you like a midday, kind of like a pick-me-up. I'm so excited though to eat this because I remembered I had it in my car and I was like, yes.
Have you ever done that? So fucking good.
All right, so here's everything I picked up from Trader Joe's. I am so excited about this haul. As I said, I'm gonna do some baking. I got some fruit. This just took a swig of this and it was so good. Arugula is my favorite. Love arugula. Green beans, a little soup action. So excited for gnocchi. Seaweed, and then for protein, ground turkey breast.
To get like our
love this little piece. This rose looks like it's dying. Alright, it is time for our evening walk. It feels so wonderful outside. It's actually the perfect type of weather for a sweatshirt and shorts. So that's what I have going on right now. But it's like 6 o'clock-ish when like the sun is setting perfectly. If you guys are not going out for walks every day, I totally encourage you to find like 20 minutes in the morning and the evening and just get some steps in. It feels so good. Oh, and this sweatshirt, oh my gosh, this sweatshirt that I'm wearing, I actually just got it in today from 𝐁𝐘 Collective. Jenna Hong, she's one of my favorite vloggers here on YouTube. She has a line and they just launched these sweatshirts and I am obsessed with the color. The quality is amazing. These are comfort colors, so super high quality. I'm gonna link these below though, because if you're looking for a good cozy fall sweatshirt, you are going to love this. It's so perfect. Dinner is served. I just made the Trader Joe's sweet potato gnocchi with some green beans. And I already tried one. It is so freaking good. Oh my goodness. I think these are gonna be so good. They slid off of the parchment paper so well. And I'm just gonna top it with a little bit of this coconut whipped topping. So yeah, pumpkin chocolate chunk oatmeal cookie mix. I'm so excited for this. Wow. Good morning, you guys. It is a beautiful fall morning today. Honestly, the weather has just been so perfect all week. I feel so grateful. But I just pulled up to La Farm Cafe in Cary, North Carolina. I don't think these are a chain. I think they're just like local to where I live. I don't think they're all over the country, but it's just like a little cafe. It's closed by like 6 p.m. It's just kind of like a morning afternoon spot, and it's a really popular spot in my town. And I'm meeting my friend here this morning. We're gonna get a coffee and then we're gonna go on a little fall stroll at the park right next door, which is Bond Park. And that was like my park growing up. I grew up right on that park. There was like a trail off of my house, my childhood home, and it was just like one of those places that I feel like a lot of shenanigans happened at, you know what I mean? So every time I go back there, it's like a walk down memory lane. But yeah, I'm just waiting for my friend right now. It is early, it is like 9:20, but it feels really good to be like up and out at this hour. I'm really excited to spend the morning with her. The fall foliage is not really like a thing yet. It's still very green here, but who knows? I mean, it's the beginning of October, so we'll see. When I was in high school working in downtown Cary, I would have to walk through this park all the way up to the senior center and catch the bus to go work at my pizza shop that I worked at, because I lived all the way over there. Alright, so I just got back in my car from a Target run. I actually just had to go there and pick up a flat iron that I can use here. I got like the cheapest one, it was like $25. But I'm just using it to kind of like keep my curls looking pretty and contained. And then I also wanted to show you, I picked up a couple of fall home fragrances. This one is Cozy Campfire, this one is Winter Spruce, and I am so excited to have these later this season. I was so happy when I saw these. I also stopped at Starbucks and I got a venti water. It was so hard to resist the urge of like not getting a drink, but I definitely just did not need one right now. But I did get a cookies and cream cake pop. Literally so good, oh my goodness. Hello you guys! Look who I'm with! You guys already know this means I am back in Korea. It feels so good to be back with Cleo, but I wanted to close this video off because I actually never gave it an outro. So here we are. I wanted to just close this video off with a few thoughts and things I wanted to tell you guys. First of all, I just wanted to once again say how grateful I am. It was really a blessing being able to go home and be with, you know, all of my close family and friends for those 4.5 weeks, and I would not have been able to do it without you guys, and I genuinely mean that. So I am incredibly grateful, and I just wish I could do more to show you guys how grateful I am. So thank you so much for, you know, commenting, liking, watching my vlogs. It means the world to me. The trip was amazing, and I actually have several more videos coming. I think there's like 3 more vlogs I have, so be on the lookout for those. I'm definitely going to be uploading like probably 2 or 3 times a week for the next couple of weeks, just because I do have like a surplus. Okay, and then the other thing I wanted to mention is I am actually going to be doing a live stream. It's in collaboration with a brand, but it is like one of my like best projects I've had the honor to work on. So if you guys have free time, it would literally mean the world to me if you're able to make it to my live stream. Come say hi. We're also going to be doing a Q&A, so it's going to be like super interactive. So if you're free, set your alarm, come say hi. I literally love doing live streams. I need to get back into them because I was doing them so much this past summer and I've kind of fallen off, but we're gonna do them. I think those were the 2 main things I wanted to say. How grateful I am, and the live stream literally means so much to me that you guys stayed until the end of this video. Don't forget to comment below. Let me know any of your air fryer friendly baking recipes. I would love to hear if you guys have ever made something good in the air fryer. And then also, are you guys watching The Golden Bachelor? If you're not, please go watch it. It is so entertaining. I'm team Susan. I don't think she's gonna actually win. I don't think she's like the perfect match for Jerry, whatever his name is. Who do you guys think is gonna win? Or do you think he's gonna get married? I am so into it. Like, I've kind of like fallen off like watching Bachelor, Bachelorette. It's not that interesting to me anymore, but this Golden Bachelor thing, like, best thing since sliced bread. So let me know about that if you guys have been watching it. But that's about it for the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed all the fall vlogs. I am going to spend the rest of my evening snuggling with Cleo. Oh my gosh. Guys, it's been so nice being back with her. I'm like emotional. I've been like crying just because I'm so happy to see her. That's about it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon in my next vlog. Bye!